The Ultron Centrifugal Fan Impeller Robot Welding Machine is a fully automated laser-guided welding system. Takes pictures, models and welds in one click with the help of a high-speed 3D vision camera and an eye trajectory fitting. The whole set of equipment consists of an L-type, or H-type displacement machine, a 3D vision system with welding gun, a cleaning station, an electrical box and an industrial control computer when selecting the model. The displacement machine is determined according to the weight of the impeller, and if it is larger than 3 tons, then it will choose the H-type with a stronger load-bearing capacity, and then match the diameter and height. The system supports MAG, TIG, laser wire filling 3 kinds of processes, a clamping can be completed for welding seams, a single piece of beat to 3 minutes, annual labor cost savings of more than 300,000 yuan.